Hi friends, it's Reagan. I'm over here on the island of Bali in Indonesia. Balinese people are known for being amazing artists, especially when it comes to wood. They make beautiful masks, life-size costumes, and animal puppets. Many houses are made of wood, and the doors are intricately carved. I wanted to learn more about this skill, so I asked a woodcarver to teach me about his trade. He and his family make all kinds of wooden art pieces. He also makes a special Balinese instrument known as the gamelan. He cut off a piece of wood and told me to draw a turtle on it. Then we nailed it down and got to work.
Look here. Just walk here, not more high.
He taught me how to use a chisel and hammer. Wood carving takes patience, but it's very rewarding when it all starts taking shape. Eventually, my turtle began to emerge.
Okay. There. Yeah?
Yeah.
The same here. Yeah.
Little by little, it looked more like the animal I had in mind. We sanded it down, and I even painted it. I wonder what other objects could be carved out of wood. I hope you get to go to Bali and learn about this ancient art form too. Thanks for joining me in Indonesia to explore this unique tradition.